so excited. She's like, I haven't seen it before. I'm fitting you. That is what that. But I'll put this music in Milo. What the frick is that?
You put the dog I put the dog on shoes. And you put the dog
When you feed Moose, and yeah. Mom, Ray just made an idea. When Ray is here, he'll feed both of them. When I'm here, I feed both of them. But when me and him are there, we get I feed this and he feeds Milo. Because they're babies! This one obviously got up. That one's probably definitely straight. That one's straight, Mom. The white one looks loose. It doesn't have a collar on. I don't think it's really a test for me. And Milo is definitely a test. Those big ones over there. Milo is definitely big though because he's missing his like head big. And Lucas is definitely big. Take a picture. I miss Delilah and Pete. Sometimes.